Here at CIAM, we not only want to be at the cutting edge, we want to be at the bleeding edge.
It is a great gift to be here and be taught by teachers who can draw from their experience and speak to you from their heart.
This is a space for intellectual curiosity, meaningful connection, and lifelong learning.
Much of the work we do seeks to highlight current examples of management as a liberal art in practice. After all, if we can't put the theory into practice, it's not of much use.
We are very practical in our education. We not only deal in the theories, we have our students apply that to projects and real-life situations.
Our students come here, and many of them, they're all working professionals. We get them thinking about what's the right thing to do in a given situation, and we do that through the practical education.
Every problem, every situation, every consulting project is multifaceted.
For our case study or our clients, we always incorporate self-reflection portion of the assignment. So the students will allow to look at themselves, look at the content that they're working with, and think about what they have done throughout the progress of learning.
I believe in many respects what makes consulting an opportunity for high-impact learning is the reality effect that it creates.
We expose students to a real-world, real-time, the now aspect.
We've seen them be able to identify gaps where that client was wasting time and money. And once that was identified, that client was then able to apply what the students shared in the consulting report and final presentation as one of their recommendations.
To be able to step back and have experts coming in and give objective feedback or recommendation, and that might help make them rethink and relearn how to do business.
People don't come to management, to leadership full-blown. These are skills, it's a craft, if you will, that has to be learned, and it's learned through a process of trial and error and practice.
How we're inspired by others, whether it's our professors or classmates, is because of our small class settings. And I've felt the sheer power of it. So it fosters personalized instruction. It allows for the students to actively collaborate, inspire one another, and they get to build this strong foundation to catapult their future success.
The hard skills, the management, the marketing, the strategy, but also the soft skills, emotional intelligence, resilience, corporate social responsibility, communication, leadership.
Education is still a huge advantage to have that can set you apart. The curriculum is very holistic. They're very well equipped with infrastructure. The faculty, they're so hospitable.
Giving students the opportunity to be spotlighted, to research, to feel like they're a contributor and not just a student.
Our students are so diverse, variety of knowledge that they bring in.
I did 2 masters in biotechnology, so I come from a research background.
I think it's really cool that a lot of professors have industry experience, and I like working with classmates because everyone has a different background.
The people, professors, my fellow classmates, they are the people I think I will take them with me for years to come, because it's the connections that you never end up losing.
There's a lot of ethical decisions that are being made in the real world. I think we do a wonderful job here exposing our students to that.
A lot of stuff that we use in actually, and we take classes here, they really help you in the real world and makes you become a better person.
Has it added value to my resume? Yes. It's also made me a better human being.
Once they are given the truth about the fundamentals of management, they then have the responsibility to take that knowledge and go into the world and make a difference.
The hybrid program allows me to be able to work full-time and also be able to study full-time as well.
We're taking the student beyond knowledge building. When the student have an ability to interact and engage in class, we help them to think more strategically.
We don't want to graduate students that are job ready. We want to graduate students that already are job experienced.
I would say go for it. I never regretted this decision, and this is the best experience California Institute of Advanced Management. Management that matters.